Build Masters in South Carolina have completely transformed this property. Check out the before and after photos. The second and third floors have been completely transformed. From the balcony view alone, the difference is incredible. The third floor didn't even have a balcony before. They built a brand new addition, turning it into a beautiful room. This is epic. We're going to fly straight into that new space, and I'll show you exactly what's inside. Here's another view of side by side. Look at that difference. And the job has been done exceptionally clean. There was no mess left around the house at all. If you're looking for high quality builders, reach out to Build Masters. They know exactly what they're doing.